Slice web pages. Slice web pages. What about slice web pages? Slices divide an image into smaller images that are resembled on a web page using an HTML table or CSS layers by dividing the image, and you can assign different URL links to create page navigation or optimize each part of an image using its own optimization setting, and you export and optimize a sliced image using the Save for Web and Devices command. And Photoshop saves each slice, by the way, as a separate file and generates the HTML or CSS code needed to display the sliced image. And when you work with slices, keep this basic in mind. And you can create a slice by using the slice tool or by creating layer-based slices. And after you create a slice, you can select it using the slice select tool and then move and resize or align it with other slices. And you can set options for each slice, by the way, and such as slice type or name and URL in the slice options dialog box. And you can optimize each slice using different optimization setting in the Save for Web and Devices dialog box, by the way. What about slice types? Slices are categorized by their content type, like table, image, and no image. Table and image and no image. And by the way, they are created user layer based auto, and the slices created with the slice tool are called user slices, and the slices created from a layer are called layer based slices. And when you create a new user slice or layer based slice, additional auto slices are generated to account for the remaining areas of the image. And in other words, auto slices fill the space in the image that is not defined by user slices or layer-based slices. And auto slices are regenerated every time, and you add or edit user slices or layer-based slices, and you can convert auto slices to user slices, and user slices layer-based slices. And auto slices look different. User slices and layer based slices are defined by a solid line, and whereas auto slices are defined by a dotted line. In addition, user slices and layer based slices display a distanced icon, and you can choose to show or hide auto slices, which can make your work with user slices and layer based slices easier to view. And a subslice. A subslice is a type of auto slice that is generated when you create overlapping slices, and subslices indicate how the image is divided when you save the optimized file. And also subslices are numbered and display a slice symbol, and you can select or edit them separately from the underlying slice. And subslices are regenerated every time, and you arrange the stacking order of slices. And the slices are created using different methods, by the way. Auto slices are automatically generated, and user slices are created with the slice tool, and layer-based slices are created with the layers panel. So what about the slice a web page? Slice a web page. You can use the slice tool to draw slice lines directly on the image or design and your graphic using layers, and then create slices based on the layers. And how to create a slice with the slice tool? You have many steps. Step number 1. Select the slice tool, then press the C key to cycle through tools grouped with the crop tool, and any existing slices automatically appear in the document window, by the way. And step number 2, choose a style getting in the option bar. We have normal determines slice proportions as you drag, and fixed aspect ratio sets a high to width ratio, enter whole numbers or decimals for the aspect ratio. For example, to create a slice twice as wide as its height, enter 2 for the width and 1 for the height. What about fixed size? Fixed size specifies the slice's height and width and enter pixel values in all numbers. Step number 3. Drag over the area where you want to create a slice and shift drag to constrain the slice to a square, and alt drag if you use Windows or option drag if you use Mac operating system. To draw from the center, use view then greater than snap to align a new slice to a guide or another slice in the image. And how to create slices from guides. If you'd like to create slices from guides, how? Step number 1. Add guides to an image. Number 2. Select the slice tool and then click slices from guides in the option bar. And when you create slices from guides, any existing slices are deleted, by the way. And how to create a slice from a layer. How to create a slice from a layer. A layer based slice encompasses all the pixel data in the layer, and if you move the layer or edit the layer's content, the slice are automatically adjusted to include the new pixels, by the way. And layer based slices are less flexible than user slices, and however you can promote a layer based slice to a user slice and see convert auto and layer based slices to user slices. And step number 1, select a layer in the layers panel. Number 2, choose layer, then new layer based slice. Don't use a layer based slice when you plan to move the layer over a large area of the image during an animation, because the slice dimension may exceed a useful size. What about convert auto? Convert auto and layer based slices to user slices. How to convert auto and layer based slices to user slices? A layer based slice is tied to the pixel content of a layer, by the way. So the only way to move, combine, and divide and resize and align is to edit the layer, unless you convert it to a user slice. And all auto slices in an image are linked and share the same optimization setting, and if you want to set different optimization setting for an auto slice, you need to promote it to a user slice, by the way. And you also have many steps. We have step number 1, using the slice select tool, select one or more slices to convert. And number 2, click promote in the option bar. And you can promote an auto slice in the save for web devices dialog box by unlinking it and see work with slices in the save for web devices dialog box. How to view slices and slice options. View slices and slice option. You can view slices in Photoshop and the save for web and devices dialog box. The following characteristics can help you identify and differentiate between slices. Slice lines define the boundary of the slice. Solid lines indicate that the slice is a user slice, or layer based slice. Dotted lines indicate that the slice is an auto slice, by the way. Slice colors differentiate user slices and layer based slices from auto slices by default, and user slices and layer based slices have blue symbols and auto slices have gray symbols, by the way. In addition, the save for web and devices dialog box uses color adjustments to dim unselected slices. These adjustments, by the way, are for display purposes only and don't affect the color of the final image. By default, the color adjustment for auto slices is twice the amount of that for user slices. What about slice numbers? Slice number is meaning that slices are numbered like 01 from left to right and top to bottom, beginning in the upper left corner of the image. And if you change the arrangement or total number of slices, slice numbers, by the way, are updated to reflect the new order. So what about slice badges? Slice badges. The following badges or icons indicate certain conditions, by the way, like user slice has image content, and user slice has no image content. And slice is layer based, and show or hide slice boundaries. How to show slice boundaries. Choose view, then select show, then slices. To hide and show slices along with other items, use the extras command. See show and hide extras, and show or hide auto slices. How to show or hide auto slices? Do one of the following. Select the slice select tool and click show auto slices or hide auto slices in the option bar. Then choose view, then show, then slices. Then auto slices appear with the rest of your slices. And show or hide slices number. How to show or hide slice numbers? You have to do the following. Do one of the following. In Windows, if you use Windows, choose edit, then preferences, then guides, then grid and slices. If you use Mac operating system, you have to choose Photoshop and preferences and guides and grid and slices. And number 2, under slices, click show slice numbers. And how to change the color of slice lines. How to change the color of slice lines. We have steps here now. Step number 1. 2 steps only. Step number 1. If you use Windows, choose edit, then preferences, then guides, then grid and slices. And in Mac operating system, Mac OS, choose Photoshop, then preferences, then guides, then grid and slices. The same. And step number 2. Under slice lines, choose a color from the line color menu. And after the color change, selected slice lines are automatically displayed in a contrasting color.